closets. Yes, this is Airbnb setup. That's what the flat screen's doing there. It's made to attract you on Airbnb. Check that out. Look at that. Absolutely stunning shower. They did a great job in here. And then finally, you got your other bedroom here. It's got its own balcony, flat screen. As you can see, again, that balcony access. We're looking at sand and ocean. Come on. And another gorgeous bathroom. They did a great job on these tiled showers with this bench. Everything is nice in here as far as the pictures go.